Hi everyone and welcome to Negin Academy. Today I'm going to clear up the difference between since and for. These two words often confuse English learners, but don't worry, I'll make it super simple for you. First of all, let's see when we should use each. We have to use for to talk about a period of time. I mean, how long something happens. With for, the duration of an activity is important. So, as I said, the duration of an activity is important. Let's look at some examples. Number 1. I have lived in this city 5 years. What should we use? For or since? Perfect. I have lived in this city for 5 years. Why? Because for 5 years shows the duration, the total time I've lived here. Number 2. She has been studying 3 hours. Since or for? Excellent. She has been studying for 3 hours. Why? Because this means she started studying 3 hours ago and she's still studying. So, whenever we want to use 6 months or years, 12 years, 10 years, so on and so forth, we always have to use for 6 months, for 12 years, for 3 hours, for 5 days. When should we use since? We have to use since when we are talking about specific point in time. I mean, when something started. So here, the starting point, the when is important. Now let's look at some examples. Number 1, I have lived in this city 2018. Since or for? Very good. I have lived in this city since 2018. Why? Because since 2018 tells us when I started living here. It is the starting point. Number 2, she has been studying 7 a.m. Since or for? Excellent. Since. She has been studying since 7 a.m. Because this tells us she started studying at 7 a.m. So, since June, since Monday, with all of these words, we have to use since because they show us the starting point of an activity or an action. Now it's your turn. Here's a sentence for you to complete, filling the blank with either since or for. I have been learning English 2 years. For or since? Drop your answer in your comments below and let's see who gets it right. Thanks guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for more.